We are coloring a starfish today. Good morning. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Monday, April 28th at 5:57 in the morning. So the next picture we're doing for the coloring book, Ocean Critters, the second in the series, is we're working on the cover. So I'm going to do it in the same style I had my daughter do the Farm Critters cover. I'm going to do it half just to show it in progress. And there again, I'm not an expert colorer, so yes, this is going to be the main color, but you know, I'm going to give it a try. This one we're doing Shuttle art. There we go. Art marker. It is alcohol marker, dual tip, so you got a flat blade tip and a point tip, fine tip. So they call it actually chisel and fine. They work really nice. I like them. I would like to expand my selection, get some more different colors, but they seem to work out good. I use some oranges, yellows in the starfish itself. Made the bubbles blue, kind of went around the bubbles and expanded them, give them a little more depth. Did some extra colors on one of the plants. So what I like about the alcohol marker is it doesn't bleed very much. It dries quick, and you can put colors right next to each other. I don't know if that's technically the right terms, but again, this one, when I was drawing it or coloring it, when I got finished, I looked up and it had been an hour, and I didn't even realize that I was doing it that long. The coloring process takes a lot longer than the drawing process, I've realized, in inking, but it's fun. I dive into it, and it's just like when I'm drawing. I don't think about anything else. It's just what color am I going to use next? What am I going to color the next object on? And I drew a line to make sure I didn't color the whole thing accidentally. It was a challenge to not go over that line, because I was actually really wanting to do the whole thing too. The floor bed, I wasn't really happy with the colors I chose on the floor bed, the sea floor, but it still came out looking all right. And this showcases that any skill level can color. You got to try, just pick up something and color again. Until I started doing this, I hadn't colored probably since I was in grade school, kindergarten. It is a good relief, and it's a good little exercise to keep your mind sharp. So it's coming into the final here, and show me your drawings, show me your coloring, and leave them in the comments. Have a good day.